Wednesbury Market feels like it's dying, largely because footfall in the town centre has dropped sharply over the years. Fewer shops, services, and reasons to visit the area mean fewer people passing through, and markets depend heavily on that natural flow of shoppers. As numbers fall, traders stop turning up because it's no longer financially worthwhile, which then makes the market look even quieter and less appealing. This creates a downward spiral where reduced choice and atmosphere push even more people away. At the same time, traditional markets now face strong competition from supermarkets, discount stores, and online shopping, which offer convenience, consistent pricing, and protection from bad weather. Many long-established stall holders have retired, with very few younger traders replacing them, leading to less variety and fewer specialist stalls. Combined with weak promotion and the wider decline of traditional town centres, Wednesbury Market struggles to stand out or attract regular visitors, making its decline feel slow, visible, and hard to reverse.